Welcome to Choice Champions. The best will tie-down straps is probably one of the most essential pieces of equipment for anyone who transports vehicles, whether it's for personal use, racing, or professional hauling, ensuring your precious cargo remains securely fastened throughout its journey, preventing costly damage and ensuring peace of mind on the road. Number 5. Rhino USA Ratchet Straps Tie-Downs, 4-pack. Introducing the Rhino USA Ratchet Straps Tie-Downs, your ultimate solution for securing any load. These straps are designed for maximum durability and increased security, ensuring your items stay put. Engineered with a precision manual crank and release mechanism, these straps offer unbeatable reliability. They are simple, solid, and built to take on any haul with long-lasting performance. Featuring a manual locking system, they deliver rock-solid holding power. You can transport your motorcycle, kayak, ATV, furniture, or any cargo with confidence and peace of mind, knowing it's secure. Join the Rhino USA family and support a father-son business. We are proudly American-owned and operated, offering the best USA-based customer support. All our products come with a lifetime replacement guarantee. If you encounter any issues, we'll ensure you're 100% satisfied with a replacement or refund. With a 1,823 pounds brake strength and safety S-hooks, these straps provide the ultimate tie-down solution. Transport your belongings safely and securely on trucks, for cargo, moving, or with appliances. What we like. This offers maximum durability with a manual locking system for rock-solid holding power. If you are looking for reliable and long-lasting performance with peace of mind on every load, this is the one for you. It's ideal for securing a wide variety of cargo. What people say. The Ratchet operates smoothly and the additional locking mechanism adds extra security knowing the strap will not come loose. The set comes with 4 loop straps that provide flexibility in tied-down locations and a Velcro strap to secure the leftover strapping once tightened. The ratcheting mechanism is smoother than a Sunday morning, and the webbing is tough enough to withstand anything life throws at it. Number 4. Rhino USA Soft Loop Tie-Down Straps, 4-pack. Introducing the Rhino USA Soft Loop Tie-Down Straps, your ultimate solution for securing your vehicles. This 4-pack offers incredible strength and durability for all your hauling needs. Setting up is a breeze. Simply thread the soft loop through an anchor point or handlebar and attach your tie-downs. You'll have a fast, hassle-free setup that keeps your load safe and secure. Our unique design ensures a secure hold without scratching or damaging your vehicle's paint or chrome surfaces. Keep your ride protected during transport. Crafted from high-strength polyester, these straps offer exceptional durability and strength. They are built to withstand heavy loads and rigorous use, ensuring they last. We stand by our quality with a real lifetime replacement policy. If you encounter any issues, we'll ensure you're 100% satisfied with a replacement or refund. What we like. These soft loop straps are designed to protect your vehicle's paint and chrome while providing a fast, hassle-free setup. If you want to transport your motorcycle or other vehicles without worrying about scratches, these are a great choice. They offer exceptional durability for rigorous use. What people say. Very high quality. Huge attention to smallest details and iron parts, which you even not feel them iron, they all covered by plastic protections, and details for strips itself. Very easy and intuitive usage from the box. Very strong, it hold the bike like anchors. Number 3. Rhino USA Will Chock Tie-Down Kit. Introducing the Rhino USA Will Chock Tie-Down Kit, designed for heavy-duty use. It offers a brake strength of 4,500 pounds, ensuring maximum security for your cargo. Support a family business with the best USA-based customer support. Join the Rhino USA family and experience our commitment to quality and service. This comprehensive kit includes all necessary mounting hardware for quick and easy installation. You won't need to search for extra parts at hardware stores. Simply position your vehicle, align the chocks, and bolt them down. Installation is fast, simple, and hassle-free, requiring no complicated steps or special tools. Our over-the-tire design fits tires up to 35 inches, keeping your UTV stable while allowing full suspension movement. This reduces strain on your vehicle's components. These ultimate ratchet tie-down accessories come with a lifetime replacement guarantee. We ensure you're 100% satisfied with a replacement or refund if you encounter any issues. What we like. This kit provides a complete mounting solution with wheel chocks for no shifting while hauling. If you need a hassle-free installation for your ATV, UTV, or lawn mower and want to ensure stability during transport, this is the perfect option. It's designed to keep your vehicle secure and stable. What people say. Very high-quality materials and construction. Mounting system is a time saver and love the tire connection versus frame tie down for sure. Excellent product. Solid quality and easy to use. Number 2. Rhino USA Car Tie-Down Straps, 4-pack. Introducing the Rhino USA Car Tie-Down Straps, designed for ultimate security and durability. These heavy-duty straps are built to last a lifetime, ensuring your vehicle stays safe during transport. Crafted with top-quality materials and rigorously tested in the USA, these straps exceed safety standards. You can trust them to keep your vehicle secure on any trailer. This comprehensive kit includes everything you need, for lasso straps, for T-handle ratchet straps, and a heavy-duty storage bag. It's the perfect solution for all your tie-down needs. Our innovative over-the-tire design allows your vehicle's suspension to move freely. This not only reduces wear on critical components but also ensures the straps remain securely in place. We stand behind our products with a real lifetime replacement guarantee. If you experience any issues, we're committed to ensuring your complete satisfaction with a replacement or refund. Support a father-son business with the best USA-based customer support. Join the Rhino USA family and experience exceptional service. What we like. Featuring an over-the-tire style tie-down, this kit allows your vehicle's suspension to articulate freely, reducing wear on components. If you are hauling cars, UTVs, or powersports vehicles and want a comprehensive kit built to exceed safety standards, this is an excellent selection. It ensures your vehicle is secure while trailering. What people say. It's super quick to whip these out, go through the rim, and if you can't go through the rim, you can go around the tire, then you're done. Makes it quick and easy to tie down vehicles. The attention to detail and quality seems to be unmatched. Zinc-coated ratchet, rubberized T-handle, forged 3/8-inch chain and hook, strap protection sleeve, Velcro micro straps to hold slack or keep straps rolled while storing, heavy-duty carry bag and even high-quality thick stickers. Strap protection sleeve, Velcro micro straps to hold slack or keep straps rolled while storing, heavy-duty carry bag and even high-quality thick stickers. Number 1. Digank Car Tie-Down Straps, 4-pack. Introducing our premium tie-down straps, designed for ultimate security and convenience. This 4-pack ensures your vehicle stays put during transport. Engineered for durability, these straps feature reinforced O-rings and wear pads to protect your rims. They offer a safe working load of 3,300 pounds for peace of mind. Perfect for race cars, pickups, SUVs, and luxury vehicles, these straps are designed to fit most tire sizes. Secure them to the wheel, axle, or frame effortlessly. With a wide design and comfortable molded handles, these straps are easy to use, even with gloves. Their visibility ensures safe handling in any lighting condition. Rest assured, each strap is clearly stamped with its safe working load, meeting CVSA and DOT specifications. Transport your vehicle with confidence and compliance. What we like. These straps offer maximum security with reinforced O-rings and wear pads, minimizing rim damage. If you need versatile tie-downs that fit most tire sizes and prioritize safety compliance with a clear safe working load, these are the straps for you. They are ideal for hauling a variety of vehicles. What people say. Worked out well for strapping my talon to the trailer. Buckles work great and felt good. Work as they should, very convenient to not have the hook on a strap and it just being on the ratchet. Car didn't move an inch. Easy to use and very strong. Dirt road for 2 miles and not even shifted. Great product, will buy again if these break. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.